pure balance, hip and joint, soft chewables, veterinarian formulated. These chewables were purchased for our large breed dogs. We have a extra large XL American Bully, and we have a Cane Corso. And they exhibit joint pain from here and there. They need joint nourishment from their oversized bodies. They do a lot of running, so they need supplements in order to stop them from having any issues. We brought this because, you know, sometimes they might be limping from too much running, and they have large muscles, and, you know, they sit around and sometimes they hurt their joints. When you give them a supplement such as this, you don't have to worry about those things. It builds up the joint muscles and the things in there, the cartilage and the ligaments. It builds everything up and makes everything work perfectly. So this supplement in particular has 500 milligrams per soft chewable, 500 milligrams of glucosamine, HC. This glucosamine in here comes from shellfish. So that it's good that that's being listed so that you know exactly where it's coming from. It's not some kind of man-made chemical substance. It's coming from another animal, and they're telling you close to the source. Glucosamine is the building blocks of joints and ligaments or whatever like that. So next you got 100 milligrams of chondroitin sulfate. Chondroitin sulfate is a substance that actually helps bind the glucosamine, bind the joint together, and stops the deterioration of the joint. So one goes with the other. So it has them both. So it doesn't just give them the glucosamine that it needs to build the structure. It actually gives it the substance to help keep the structure together. Next, this has MSM. And MSM, it helps enhance the function of the joint and connective tissues. So the MSM helps the tissues combine to the joint. A joint is one type of fiber or one type of cell or structure, whatever you want to call it. And then you have the muscle tissues that are connected to that ligament. The MSM helps connect the tissues to that muscle. So it's giving you all those different aspects. And next it has some EPA, 15 milligrams, and it has DHA, docosahexaamine acid from fish oil. This DHA is basically omega-3s. Or was it omega-6s? One of those. It's omega, let me see. It's one of the omegas. And you also